Do you want to speak English like a native speaker but you don't know how to speak English and how to practice and how to do something? Don't worry. Today in this video, if you will watch this video till end, you will definitely learn English how to speak fluently. You will be thinking that what am I saying? Yeah, I'm saying the truth. So first of all, I want to say you something that you will be thinking that why am I making video here. So I want to say you something that the electricity has run out, and in this problem, in this situation, I'm making video on my terrace. I don't have any good atmosphere and good background for making video. I don't have any chroma key for changing background, so please forgive me and watch this video till end. The first question is I can't speak English. Speak English. The answer is speak English. Speak English with small sentences. When you will start English, you will think that I can't speak English and I cannot do this. But if you will do like continuously, you will definitely speak this language, because English is just a language, not a milestone. English is just a language. I'm not saying about English. You can learn any language. I'm not saying about English. You can learn Marathi, Gujarati, Hindi, Punjabi. You can speak any language if you will practice. Because if you will practice, there is someone sitting up there. He will definitely surprise you. You will have to work hard. It doesn't matter what is the atmosphere is your. You will have to make your atmosphere from yourself. Now you will say that I don't have any partner for speaking English, then how will I speak English? So I want to say you something that I guarantee you that you will have a mirror. You can practice with your mirror. If you'll practice with your mirror, or you can practice with your phone, you can make blog on your phone. If you'll make blog your phone, gradually you will learn this language fluently. Because I want to say you something that I wasn't have any partner for speaking English, and in my village there is no who can speak English fluently. There is no English instead of me. First of all, I want to say you something that I am making video and someone seeing me. Some people are seeing me. You can see here is someone working. So please ignore it and let's begin. If you want to speak English like a native speaker, you will have to work hard. It doesn't matter what is your atmosphere. You will have to make your atmosphere from yourself. You can practice with your English grammar books. If you are a student, then you can practice with your teacher, your books, and your mobile. And you have many resources and apps for speaking English like Duolingo, AI. You can see here AI is the most practice for speaking English. You can speak English with your AI. You can speak English with your teacher. You can speak English with your phone. You have many resources, but you make excuses. If you will make excuses, you will never speak English. You will have to speak English, and you will have to listen more and more. Speak movies, cartoon stories in English. Speak anything in English, not to Hindi. I'm not saying about this you drop Hindi, because Hindi is my mother tongue and your mother tongue. So if you want to speak English, you will have to drop out Hindi. Instead of speaking Hindi, you can speak English. Instead of watching movies and cartoon Hindi, you can watch in English. Friends, if you have a time, then you can learn about grammar like noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunctions, tenses, passive voice, direct, indirect, narration, synthesis. You can learn about this. If you learn about this, you will speak English like a native speaker. Because when you will start this, you will think that what a simple language. When you will learn this, then you will definitely speak English. English will definitely spoken by you. So please learn grammar. Focus on your grammar. Focus on your vocabulary. Vocabulary is the most important for English. Because if you don't have any vocabulary, when I'll say that could you give me bottle of water, if you don't know mean of bottle of water, then how you will do this? So you will have to learn vocabulary, and you will have to learn grammar is the most important for speaking English, because if you will learn grammar, then you will definitely 100% I guarantee you, you will definitely speak English in just a month, because grammar is your best friend and best teacher for speaking English. So if you want to speak English, you will have to learn grammar also. Some movie I want to recommend you, you should watch that movies, and you can improve your English. You can watch Titanic, The Tiger in the Zoo. There are many movies for speaking English practice. You can search on YouTube how to speak English. Next question is, how did I learn English? So I want to say you something, that when I was 13, then I used to go to institute for speaking English. There from I learned English fluently, because English was my favorite subject, and now time English is my favorite subject, and always English will my favorite subject, because English is a very cute language. It's a very adorable language, and I like to speak English, and I like to read books of English. So in this way, and I used to watch cartoons and horror stories in English, and I used to hear song in English, and now time I'm always hear song in English. I never hear song in Hindi. In this reason, I learn English. In this way, I learn English, because I like to speak English, because English is the most very beautiful language, and I don't like speaking Hindi. It's really because I like to speak English. English is my favorite language, and if you want to be a learn English, you will have to work hard. So now I don't have any word for speaking, so let's still end this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and if you want to learn grammar, you can watch my another video which I uploaded on my YouTube channel. I think you have enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, subscribe, and press the bell icon option. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.